Test just went red. Stack trace everywhere. Here's how AI helps you debug it the right way. To get useful help from AI, you need to give it the full picture. Paste in 3 things: the test code, the full error output or stack trace, and the implementation code being tested. Without all 3, AI is working blind. With all 3, it has everything it needs to understand exactly what went wrong. Once you share that context, AI becomes surprisingly powerful. It can read through the test, the error, and the implementation and explain in plain English exactly why the test is failing. Is it a null reference, wrong return value, incorrect assertion? And beyond the explanation, it will suggest a concrete fix, saving you from manually tracing through the failure line by line. One thing AI is genuinely helpful for is spotting whether the bug lives in your test or your implementation. Sometimes the test itself has the wrong expectation. AI can help you figure out, is this assertion actually correct, or is the implementation at fault? Finally, and this is important, don't just blindly apply the fix AI suggests. Make sure you understand why the change solves the problem. This is how you actually learn and avoid repeating the same mistake. Give AI your test code, error output, and implementation. Let it explain the failure and suggest a fix, but always understand the root cause yourself before applying anything. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.